Hello everyone, today I will share you my pato. They call pato is the other breed from ducks. So this is one mother only. They have 16 babies. So they're already 2 months after they had having a baby. So we separate the mother already from them. So this guys is blazing guys, no? So this one they're inside my piggery because my piggery I have a lot of column there, but they have no empty. So this only my 4 pigs I just bought that a month ago. This age is 1 month, so I just bought them. So if I come home, we have something for consumo. They call it consumo, or we have meat to eat or something like that. See, that's age of the piglets are, I think, 1 month and 5 days since we got them from her mother. So guys, no, there are 4 of them. Supposed to be one of them, 3 boys and 1 girl. Supposed to be the girl is we're trying to do a sow or mother, but the problem, or they call inahin, but my nephew said it's not really good because he has a small back or something, I don't know, but so when I go home for good in the Philippines, I'm going to put all the spaghetti a pig I try. I'm gonna take her a sow, so it's cheaper if you have a sow than you buying piglet. Piglet right now is 3,000 to 3,500. So it's not good for business because especially the feeds is. And now those are the new babies. With the mother supposed to be 16 pieces, but the only have a baby is 12, but still blazing guys, no? Thanks. So I want my farm a lot of ducks or pato. So this wheel. My nephew dug the wheel, so if I come home, I try to make
Hello
bigger
po, Auntie.
and cement it. So we have to provide
Inijuan
for,
ko po
we have
yung
another
ibon
wheel
na
there or
ginawa,
something
yung,
like deep well. But the problem, I want more
yung
wheel there
kinakal ko
because they
na
have like water,
ibon.
and this is
Pero
fresh
no one,
water, and my
inuman daw
nephew
to
said
dito,
it's
pero
good
maliit
to
pa lang
drink,
yun
it's clean.
na
So I wanna dig that and
bubon,
cement
pero
it,
marumi na, pero
make a deeper,
pinalaki ko.
and then
Yan po resulta.
dig more and cement surrounded everything there and cover it. So we can
Malinis po.
supply for piggery and
po ito eh.
the goat and ducks and also pigs. They can drink there. So
Yan po
guys,
yung
these
iniinom,
are my new updates for
pinapainom
my
ko sa
farm
baboy.
for the baby,
Nakalinis po doon yung
the
tubig.
baby of the pato. So they have already. And this my nephew, he
Magandang
prepared,
hapon po,
he built the
Auntie.
shade of the pato, separated from
Diyan ko po
ducks.
yung ginawa ko po.
So there guys, some of them
Kulungan.
guys, they have ducks too. I have a lot of ducks too. But this is
Dyan
another
po,
kind of breed.
sa gilid niyan,
Uh,
lapit sa
ducks. It
saging.
look like ducks is
Tanan
bigger
po
than
ng kanya
ducks.
ng
So
pechay.
normally it's easy to get
Kanin
what do
po
you
ako
call,
dyan.
a lot of eggs. So I ordered the guys. So when I come home, so that's the shade of the ducks. So those are ducks. Some of them they're swimming in
Ito po yung
my duck
similya niya.
pond. So the ducks guys, supposed to be is 100 plus the ducks, but most of them maybe like 45 or 46 left because some the snake ate it. So my nephew
Pechay po
put
yan.
the seeds
similya.
of bok choy or pichay there. So as you can see, they already grew a lot of bok choy, or in other words pichay. So after that, when they get big, my nephew, he will transfer the other area. So guys, those are my updates for my farm. So thank you so much. Subscribe, likes, and please leave comment. Thank you. And